slime mint water experiments. And so first you need a ruler, slime warmer. It's kind of like Flurb, which is its Flurb, a ruler in a little container, and mint water, and the butter knife, and the butter knife. Okay, now we're going to pour this mint water into the
Container.
Okay, guys, forgot. So guys, I'm being the one who pours it in. So let's get it.
Because I pour too much.
Yes, way too much. That's all I need.
Okay. So this is how much is in here. Look
Not
at
a lot.
that. Oh my gosh. Okay, so now I'm going to give the camera to her.
Hold on, guys. Okay. So now I'm going to put this slime into it. Okay, so now we put it in here. See? Just that. Okay. Okay, now we put the slime.
We gotta wait.
We got to wait for a little bit. So we're gonna wait for 2 minutes, and then we're gonna come back.
Okay, guys, so it's been 2
2
minutes.
minutes. Yeah, so now we're gonna take it out. It's slippery. It's like kind of. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, guys, this is so like.
So, like, whoa. Feel it. Like you can't even pull it. Like, trying to pull it. Okay, now it's getting sticky. Like if you play with it, it's getting sticky. Okay, now the next. You can say it this time. The next one is
To get your ruler, guys, this is how you want to put your ruler. You want to put it in this position. What's this called? Vertical, right?
yeah.
You want to put it vertical. And then get your slime.
So got our
That's
slime.
And so we're gonna, you see, does everyone see the 10?
Where's 10? Oh, look, it's highlighted it for us. Okay, so
Just gonna see how long the slime is. And then cut your slime to the 10. So you gotta get it off the edge.
oh,
Because that's and guys, this is how long 10 centimeters is. And then guys, you have to pour more mint water. That's what I'm gonna do.
she gave me the camera.
Put your slime water. Put your slime in there.
Oh, this is my best part. Wait, I'm gonna do it. Wait. So
I'm gonna pause it so I can get up.
Okay, so I'm gonna put all of my slime.
No, not all of it, because it will overflow.
So look, it's at the top.
Tippy, zippy top.
Cool. But if I do this, like it won't explode. Like doing it slowly, it won't explode. Isn't that so cool? I'm just gonna press it. Watch out! Wait, this is a real experiment, guys. You ready? Oh my god! Go get it. Pause it.
5. Wait, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. So guys, push it really hard.
Put some more.
I'm gonna put some more in there. Don't use all of it.
Okay, so you put some more. Now,
Get.
doesn't stick to anything. It just does that. Okay, so we're just gonna put it in. Oh my gosh! Okay. 5.
4. Guys, oh my gosh. I'm gonna make
Look at the bottom. It doesn't even. Okay.
Guys, my camera is like literally wet. I'm literally trying to dry it.
Alright, now let's do it.
Oh my gosh, guys.
Your
It got in the mirror.
It got
Oh my gosh, my camera is blurry.
What? Watch this. Ready? Just like it's like a wash. You try. Okay, pause it. Pause it. Pause it. Pause it.
Oh, you press it.
Oh, not me.
Gotta use your right. Hold on, guys. We want to show you the slime.
Okay, guys. Background singer. Go, background singer. So guys, we cleaned up.
Okay, guys, this is the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Okay, if you want to see the person behind the camera, here I am. If you want to see the person who was making the video, here she is.
You already seen me, but okay.
Thank you so much, guys. So much for watching the video. Now you can check out my music video. Bam! What? My dad's a rapper, and I'm about to show y'all the music video. Let's get to it. Bye, guys. Love you. Mwah.